Notifications plays a very important role in Jenkins. Now that we have two jobs, let's imagine they are connected to our pipeline, they're connected in the sequence, and whenever any job fails, we need to inform them to the respective teams so that they can take necessary steps and resolve the errors or fix the issues. So notifications plays a very important role in Jenkins, and Jenkins can send notifications in the form of emails. So let's see how it can send. Jenkins uses SMTP server to send notifications. Simple mail transfer protocol. So we need to configure these settings. To configure these email settings, go to Manage Jenkins. Under Manage Settings, you will see the first option, Configure System. Let us go there. Here configure system is the area where all the global settings goes in. So let's come here, scroll down, and here you will see something like extended email notification. Here we need to give or we need to configure the settings for our email. So Jenkins will send notifications in the form of email and it uses some SMTP server. Here for our lab setup, we are going to use Gmail SMTP server. So let me give the name smtp.gmail.com. So we are going to use SMTP of Gmail. Now click on Advanced. Select this option, use SMTP authentication. Give some username of your Gmail ID and password because we are using Gmail's SMTP server. Use SSL and the port SMTP port number is the default SMTP port number, which is 465. Just scroll down and here you can set the default subject for your emails like any subject, and there is some subject already like a $project name. $project name is nothing but these are all environment variables in Jenkins. $project name means job name. $bill number, $bill status means bill status. So this is going to be a subject of your email. If you want to modify, you can, but I'm going with the default ones. Similarly, default content of your email, and that's all. So let us save these settings. Now that we have configured SMTP server for sending email notifications, we can trigger notifications on any job. Let's go for this job too. Again, go to configure means edit the job. So on the edit job page, you will see so many sections. Go for the post build actions. Post build, as the name says, once this job is built, means once this job is run, what you want to do. Once this job is executed, I want it to send the notifications. So choose post build actions, click that. You will see post build actions drop down. Out of it, you will see editable email notification. Choose this option. Now here you can see the default recipient list, reply to list and all. Default subject, default content. I am adding the recipient list here. So whoever should receive the notifications, add the email IDs here. I am adding my email ID so that I can receive the notification. Just scroll down. You can also create groups of different users like a development group, tester group, and trigger notifications to them. For now, I am adding my email ID. And here you will see an option. Do you want to attach the build log? Yes, attach the build log and go for advanced settings. This is very important. Trigger is important because you need to tell when it should trigger an email. Generally, we'll trigger emails on failures, but let us trigger always for now. Always means even though job is successful or failure, whatever happened to the job, it will trigger whenever you run the job. And who should receive the notification? Send to whom? Like I said, you can create different groups and add the your email IDs to the group and send notifications for them. For now, I am just sending to recipient list. Recipient list is nothing but the ones added here. That's all. Now let us apply and save. Now if we run this job too, means once this job is done, it should trigger a notification. Let's see. Before running the job, let me launch my email so that we can see the notifications. No notifications as of now. Let's go there. Let us build. So second will happen. Just come here, console output. It says email was triggered for always and sending email to this email ID. So in a few minutes, we should receive an email in our inbox. We may get a security alert here sometimes. So we need to enable these Gmail security settings. Just go here and confirm it was me. Yes, it was me. So now let us trigger again. Let us run the job again. Build nav. So there was a fourth build and you can see the console output email notifications was sent. So now let us check the email now. Let's wait. We should get an email now. Now we can see an email triggered with this as a subject, job 2 build 5 successful, the status, and the console output link was given as well as build log was attached because we have chosen this option, and this is the build log file. You can see the log file attached. So this is how notifications can be triggered, which plays a very important role to inform or to intimate the status of what happened to the job. So this is how notifications can be triggered in Jenkins.